Unfortunately, some workers are injured so badly that they can never return to work in any capacity. Under those circumstances, what your attorney should do is seek what we call total disability benefits. This means that the injured worker will receive payment for the rest of his life or her life and will receive medical care for the injured body parts for the rest of his or her life as well. Now, sometimes the work accident is the sole cause of the injury that leads you to be totally disabled. You'll be working on a scaffolding and you'll fall and you'll injure your back so greatly that you can never go back to work. And although you may have had other medical problems earlier, really it's that back injury in and of itself that keeps you from going to work. Under those circumstances, the employer's insurance company will pay all the benefits that I just described. But the employer is also obligated to take the injured worker as a whole and as he finds that worker. So what could happen sometimes, and this is fairly common, is a worker will have an injury on the job. It'll be a bad shoulder injury, it'll be a bad back injury. And maybe that injury in and of itself wouldn't be enough to leave the person totally disabled. But that injury combined with some pre-existing problems the person may have. Maybe they have a partial lung disease. Maybe they're partially blind. Maybe they were born with some type of disability. Under those circumstances, the injured worker can still get total disability benefits. There's a special fund that's created in New Jersey. It's called the Second Injury Fund. It's a very complicated thing to explain, but under those circumstances, the benefits, pay for the rest of your life, medical care for the rest of your life, are paid by a combination of the workers' compensation insurance carrier for your last job, as well as the Second Injury Fund, which is a fund that's been set up by the state of New Jersey.